Stop and think, what is in our ocean? You might have thought fish, but that's not all. About 54% of debris in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch comes from land based activities in North America and Asia. The remaining 20% of debris in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch comes from boaters, offshore, oil rigs, and large cargo ships that dump or lose debris directly into water. The majority of the debris is about 750,000 tons is in fishing nets. More unusual items such as computer monitors and Legos come from shipping containers. Pollution in our waterways is caused by people like you and me not throwing away their, their plastic into the recycling or throwing their trash in landfills or other areas. There has been so much plastic not thrown away for decades that is now turned into microplastics. 8 million pieces of plastic goes into the ocean every year. This creates gyres filled with plastic, such as the North and South Pacific Gyre, Indian Ocean Gyre, North and South Atlantic Gyre, and many more. These gyres go to 7.7 million square miles. Nearly 700 marine animals have had man-made debris into their digestive system. Also, over 90% of all seabirds all over the world have had plastic a part of their diet. If algae and plankton communities are threatened, the entire food web may change. Animals that feed on algae and plankton, such as fish and turtles, will have less food. If populations of those animals decrease, there will be less food for apex predators such as tuna, sharks, and whales. Eventually, seafood will become less available and more expensive for people. 4.3 billion people eat fish. But what else are we eating? Plastic has been located in the bodies of fish, which could be toxic for humans. Not only could this be toxic when we're eating it, but it could also be toxic when we drink, because farmers are wasting their pig waste into the water, which we could eventually drink. But we are making a stand. Buoyant Slant has created ocean barriers that will allow us to collect trash easier, and it will be the biggest ocean cleanup in 2020. In order to get all the waste out the water, we will have a system where every animal has a place. This will allow us to change the health and well-being of animals and humans. Let's make a better future for the next generation. And let's clean up. Just pick up some trash once a day, and you could help save the world.